Grab your bucket, grab your spade. Best sweet beach day ever made. Bunny Boo is running free, right beside the rolling sea. Sit right down upon the sand, prettiest beach in all the land. Build a castle high and wide, safe away from water tide. Pack the bucket, tip it slow, watch the sandy towers grow. Splashing by the ocean blue, Bunny Boo is dancing too. Clap your hands and move your feet, grooving to the summer beat. Look at all the shells to find, prettiest treasures of their kind. Pink and purple, gold and white, shining in the warm sunlight. Count them up from 1 to 4, then we search for even more. Splashing by the ocean blue, Bunny Boo is dancing too. Clap your hands and move your feet, grooving to the summer beat. A friendly starfish in a pool, waving hands and looking cool. Starry points that shine so bright, what a very happy sight. Bunny Boo does a happy spin, look at that giant joyful grin. Sand and sea and summer sun, beach day games are so much fun. Wave goodbye and take a rest, summer beach day is the best. TinyZub Kids World. Bye bye.